Okay, on the Dirt Dragon, you've got your tanks here. This is going to be your tank that's going to collect all your contaminants off the floor. And you can see, I'm going to do this up on here. You've got a float. There's a little float ball right here. All right, that's going to come to the top to let you know when this tank is full, when you got to dump it out. When you know you've got flow coming through, you're going to see your liquids over here on this left-hand side of your channel that's coming through. All right, and as you can see, that we've been doing some cleanings the last couple days. And then this is going to be your solution tank, which right now I've got IFT in. This is your side to measure how much solution you've got in the product, which I'm going to have to I'm going to fill this up and put a little bit more in there. Right now I got enough to get the job going. What I want to do, if you can bring the video over here real quick, I'm going to flip this unit on its side, and we'll get a close-up of this. What Betco did to redesign this machine, this new Dirt Dragon, is they changed the brushes. Okay, the old style model used to have the brushes in a horizontal pattern. Now, as you can see, they're in a chevron pattern. So this cylindrical brush will now take the contaminants and dirt off the floor and back to this vacuum. Now, this vacuum that Betco redesigned is a much bigger, much more powerful vacuum. And with these squeegees, the whole process is not going to ever leave any moisture on the floor while picking up all dirt, stains, contaminants off the floor into this tank that you'll be able to dump out, and the floor will be completely clean, which 90% of your homeowners are going to love anyway. You're going to take an old floor like this. This is a vinyl floor that I'm going to clean and make it brand new again. This machine will clean vinyl, hardwood, tile, and concrete, and we've got different brushes for all those cleanings. So this is the new Dirt Dragon that Betco designed for basic coatings, and we'll go to part 3 next.